This is how to reattach the ribbon for an evolis machine, primacy, ellipso, and what have you. So you have a cut ribbon. First off, you take this part out, the ones that have been printed on. After it has been rolled out completely, okay, this might take a while. It was almost done. Okay, then this sticky part, you take it out. Okay, you can get a tape or you can still use this other part. It still has a sticky part. Okay, then not under this area that has something coming out. Okay, you get an attachment to the ribbon. Then you slide it on the roller, but you don't just put it anyhow. You first check it on the middle if it balances properly. Then you roll it back on and you are good to go.